Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. Parts of speech is a word are divided into 8 kinds according to their functions are called as parts of speech. That is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Noun is a word. It indicates the names of persons, things, places, birds, and animals. So it is called as noun. For example, Tulasi is an American. In this sentence, Tulasi is a person's name. So Tulasi is a noun. The another example of noun is he likes to travel by aeroplane. Aeroplane is a vehicle, so here aeroplane is a noun. The second one is pronoun. The word it is used in the place of noun is called as pronoun. For example, I am a student. Here in this sentence, I is a pronoun because we are using instead of noun. So I is called pronoun. Another example of pronoun is they are my friends. Here we are using they. It is known as pronoun.